You can easily fix the P0420 error code by replacing the damaged oxygen sensor by yourself. It means that your catalyst system efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 1, indicating that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently. As a result, the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: exhaust leaks, fuel injector leaks, damaged oxygen sensor wiring, faulty engine coolant temperature sensor, faulty catalytic converter. This video is going to show you a practical solution to fix the error code. Carefully remove the oxygen sensor from the catalytic converter and visually check the oxygen sensor electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. This engine code also appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, Toyota, and many other vehicles. So here is a practical solution to fix the P0420 error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.